Hello everyone, this is Farhan Ahmad, the chairperson of Media Society at DHA Sufa University Karachi. Today is a great event arranged by the university that is called the 6th Career Fair for the students. It's a great platform, so we'll just walk around and see how many companies are here and how the students are feeling and what the companies are offering. So let's walk. So, so we see that there are some of the companies aligned here, and we see there is TCF today, and then there is technology, there is Morgan, there's Wada. So there's a variety of companies out here. There are 100 plus companies which are offering different opportunities to the students, and students are having a great time. So I'll just show you around here. Let's walk up here in this area. So there's like a corridor that they have created. The entire university space has been taken because of the number of companies that have joined us today. So every year DHS Sufa University tries to offer something to the students, and Career Fair is one such platform. Let's talk to this gentleman over here and see what does he say about his stall. Sir, Assalamu alaikum. I'm so sorry bothering you. I'm Farhan Ahmad. We just wanted to know about your experience because you have been coming to the Career Fair every year. What do you want to say to the students and the university?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So my first of all, my experience or like overall experience overall is like amazing year. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I'm from AKD Securities Limited. I'm the country head for them. The overall experience is amazing so far, like in this career fair, like the previous experiences. And my advice to the student would be to please do visit all the stalls. Please prepare yourself when the companies are coming to you. Prepare yourself. Know about द कंपनीज़ के कौन सी कंपनीज़ आ रही हैं वो कंपनीज़ करती क्या हैं शॉर्ट लिस्ट करें उन कंपनीज़ में जाएं और उनसे इंटरेक्ट करें दिस इज़ अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू एंड थैंक्स टू DHS Sufa University on your behalf for organizing such an amazing event.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So it was a great advice there by the gentleman that students must prepare themselves before they come and talk to the companies, because many a time it is seen that they don't know the skill set that they're looking for. So we just want to go and talk to some other people out here. Let's find a student who is willing to talk to us. Hi girls, do you want to talk? Just say a word or two if you want to. Yeah. So how is your experience today? How you feeling? Okay. So there are some shy people. They don't want to talk. Let's move on and see what else do we have. Okay, so let's move on and see inside here. So a lot of top companies, if you see, National Bank of Pakistan is here. We have got Pakistan Steels Mills here, and awesome, yeah. So let's see what else. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you want to say a word or two about your experience today at DHS Sufa University's Career Fair? That's your. Okay, so do you want to say what are you offering to the students and how should
Basically, we are offering for the career fairs for the new talent is working in the universities. So it's a good opportunity for universities for the intern. So it's so good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So there you go. It's a great opportunity for the new internees, and at the same time, they must prepare. Let's walk in there quickly and see if we can find someone more talkative who is willing to talk to us, because the students are busy hunting for the jobs right now. They are applying for the CVs. Let's talk to someone here. Assalamu alaikum. I'm so sorry. Do you want to say a word or two about this event today? So, yeah, what do you want to say about today's event? How you
दिस वाज एन एक्सीलेंट इवेंट बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में हमें पता चला, और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, स्पेशली यंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ थी। उनको एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका मिला कि उनके लिए क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं फ्यूचर में। और माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर सबा सर, एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर रिसर्च हूँ CISSS सेंटर फॉर इंटरनेशनल स्ट्रेटेजिक स्टडीज़ सिंध। और हमने भी यहाँ पे अपना बूथ किया हुआ था। तो हमने जो हमारा थिंक टैंक है, द पर्पज़ ऑफ दिस थिंक टैंक इज़ टू provide opportunities to young scholars of Sindh. तो we offer internship to our students जो सिंध की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में हैं। तो it was an excellent event. So hopefully.
Thank you. So there you go. That yes, we also have Center for International Strategic Studies sent here. Let's walk in here and see what else do we have here. So when we discuss the skill development, the students have to develop their skills before they apply for the jobs, and these companies are hunting for the students with the competencies and the abilities. So you can see around here that yes, we have got IDP education, we have got logics, psychological services. Let's try and talk to someone. Assalamu sir, kaise aap khairiye se? How do you feel about today's event and what's your experience today at DHS?
It's amazing. It's charming. A lot of people are coming here and talking about, asking about our consultancy. Basically, our let me tell you about our consultancy. It's a study abroad consultancy. We basically send a student abroad to study, whether it's scholarships or other opportunities where they can apply. So, so it's amazing, Amir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So there you go. We have got some companies which are sending students abroad as well. So let's walk back to the area where we started, and we have got another corridor out there. So as I said, 100 plus companies are offering their jobs to the students of DHS Sufar University Karachi, which is a growing university having about 5,000 students enrolled right now. And we have got two campuses. We have got one campus in DHS Sufar, sorry, DHA Phase 7, and the other one is the city campus. So let's walk in here and see this corridor. We have got a lot of companies here. We have Zishan Engineers, we have got Max Greens, and students must apply for any of the jobs that they come across. They should not hesitate, and they should try and make sure that yes, any opportunity that they can get, they should go for it. Sir, I'm so sorry I'm disturbing you guys. Do you want to just say a word or two about your experience today? आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Okay, so we have a gentleman here, and Sound sir, we just wanted to know your experience. थोड़ा सा briefly बता दें कि how do you feel about it?
मैं एक्सपीरियंस तो ये है कि आई एम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर, मैंने दाऊद यूनिवर्सिटी से किया था 83-84 में।
No, today's experience at DHS.
नहीं, बड़ी अच्छी है, बड़ी अच्छी एफर्ट हैं और होना चाहिए बच्चों को, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी एक प्रॉब्लम जो इस वक्त जो कंट्री फेस कर रहा है वो जॉब्स हैं, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ जॉब नहीं, इवन टेक्निकल लोगों के लिए भी। तो ये बहुत अच्छी एफर्ट है, होना चाहिए। और हमने इसी की मुनासबत से जो हमने ये लगाई है zip.ai, ये बेसिकली जॉब पोर्टल है और ये AI बेस है। तो आपकी जो भी आपकी जो सलाहियतें हैं जो आपने CV में लिखी हैं उसको मैच करते हुए आपको एम्प्लॉयर से कनेक्ट कर देगा ऑटोमेटिकली। इट्स ऑल ऑटोमेटिक एंड AI बेस।
Thank you so much. So there we go, that the employers are reaching out to the students. This is the other way around, and this is because of the DHS SOFA, which is ensuring that yes, students don't have to mock around, they don't have to apply for random jobs and waste their time. So yeah, awesome. So we have spoken with different employees here, and as he mentioned that the age is of AI, and it is growing from the artificial narrow intelligence to general intelligence to the super intelligence. So yeah, the students must be prepared with the new skills. And let's walk in here and talk to someone who we can find can educate us on what we are doing here. Assalamu alaikum. We just want to talk a little bit about your stall and your experience today at DHS so far. So let's see what does he have to say. Sir, just briefly tell us how was your experience today?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और कहते हैं मेरे ख्याल से लास्ट टाइम शायद पोस्टपोन हो गया था, लेकिन इस साल फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया मैंने जज़ा की तरफ से, और एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं और इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं और रिलेटेड फील्ड से भी मिल रहे हैं। हम लोग जो बेसिकली हैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, एक्सपोर्ट साइड, प्रोडक्शन साइड, इसके कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स ढूंढने, तो हमें मिल रही है सीवीज, अच्छे फ्रेश लोग मिल रहे हैं। अब उम्मीद करते हैं आगे इनके साथ फर्दर जो फिज़िकल इंटरव्यू होता है तो उसमें कैसे रहते हैं ये लोग और कितने हायर होते हैं फिर यहाँ से। थैंक यू।
Pleasure. So there you go, that the students are applying for the jobs here, and they will be recruited through a proper selection process. So yeah, we have paid a good round to different stalls here, and we have almost looked at 100 plus 100 plus companies here, and we are back to our point zero. That is where we started. So yes, next year it will be more full on, it will be more better. Every year is getting better and better and bigger and bigger. So thank you so much. Wish you good luck to DHS Sufar University and its students.